Welcome to module number 4. We're bringing everything together and examining some of the aspects that we have addressed earlier in the course. You will find your leadership outcomes on the very beginning, and then we're going to go into the objectives for this module. We're going to really meld everything together now. We're going to be looking at some of those aspects as far as health disparities and the context of ethical, legal, and social justice. We're going to demonstrate that integration, what we expect as far as bringing everything together when we're looking at social aspects, we're looking at our legal aspects, and we're also looking at ethics as the foundation for our practice. We're bringing everything together as you are devising your very personalized mission, vision, and value statement, and that's the culminating assignment for this course. So we're going to really examine your role and where you plan to be and what will be your guidepost as you move forward in your ethical leadership practice. And that's what the ethics, mission, vision, and value statement is all about. Not just to finish this assignment and move on. This is really a living, breathing statement for you, that it's something that you actually act on and is the guide for you in your leadership practice. So it should be something that you really take some time to think about and analyze and determine what is really meaningful to you as far as your values and what guides your practice, and what ultimately will serve as, I say, the guidepost for you for your decision making in your career. So we're going to start out with thinking about your thinking. And again, this is not the newest TED Talk, but I think you'll find it to be really interesting. And I want you to think about the influence that you may have on folks that you may not even realize. And keep that in mind as you are continuing with your practice. I apologize for my dog. So our ultimate outcome is our final assignment, of course, but you do have your readings in your GRACE textbook, and you'll also be examining very pertinent theories in this module as well. And these are modules that these are theories that you will apply as you move forward in your program as well. Once again, I apologize for my dog. We're going to dive into complexity theory and chaos theory. We're also going to examine global health ethics in the context of the World Health Organization. And again, we need to look at how we fit in the world as far as healthcare, and just overall how we fit within the world as our world is, because of transportation and connectivity, is becoming more and more of a oneness rather than separate. And I think that we've really experienced how quickly and how integrated the world is with some of the situations that we have going on in our world right now. Here's the overview for your synthesis paper. And then in the content folder, you'll find some additional TED Talks that I think you'll find to be very interesting as well. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns as you complete your final assignment, and I'd be happy to talk with you if you want to bounce some ideas or talk about your final assignment as well. So take care, and let me know if you need absolutely anything.